Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 GL450. This one's a polar white. Underneath it's a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. Up front it comes with a illuminated star at night that lights up. 19-inch 5-spoke alloys, the tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. Almond beige MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Also included is the chrome package, which is going to give you chrome door handle inserts. Third row seating. Coming around back, GL450 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Alongside, this does come with the lane tracking package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist and a lane keep assist. Also included is the Premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, our turn wheel for our infotainment center. This GL450 has 60,085 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GL450, check out feldmanimports.com.